Hello student, welcome to your value education class. Last day I have told about the rules, about the Ali's father and Ali's breaking rules, all these things. Today that things I told you that you will need always, everywhere. Here that you should remember. What we should remember? 3 things: home rules, school rules, road rules. So first we can write 2 rules which you follow in your home. In this condition, you should always wash your hand before taking your meals, and after that you can just come from your playground, and also always clean your body, means take your bath regularly. So we can just here they have given eat your meals on time. At the same time I can add wash your hands before eating. So number 1, eat your meals on time, wash your hands before taking meals. Or also after coming from outside, you should clean your body, clean your hands, clean your foot, always, legs, everywhere, clean your body. You should take the bath. And next, they have given follow a timetable for your daily routine. Means just you are now in home. Besides that also, you have to wake up early in the morning at the fixed time. If you are late, like this, if you are getting up from 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning, is this the morning? No, we should get up 6 o'clock at the morning. At that time, we just follow. So here, we should follow a timetable for our daily routine. Here we can write we should follow timetable for our daily routine. Then here obviously here they have told that leave home only after you have asked your elders. Only I can tell you, listen to your elders, listen to your parents, listen to your elders. So everybody, I also, you also, everybody, we should listen to our elders. This is the number 3. So I have written the 2 rules. So only these 2 rules are enough for you. Another rules you can write that we should listen to our elders. Number 3, here question number 2. Write 2 rules which we follow in our school. Which we follow in our school. So number 1, we should follow our timetable. Here also we should listen to our elders and our teachers. That also one thing It's a very nice thing. So here first one, follow the timetable, make a queue wherever it is needed, maintain silence in your class and library. So first one is very important. I and you, means both of us, we should follow our timetable. We should follow our timetable. It is not only for you, it is also for us also. Because if you are following your timetable, we are not following it, that is not good. So we should follow our timetable regularly. And number 2, we should make a queue wherever it is needed, or we should maintain silence in our class and library. Whatever, 2 things, and we should listen our elders. Here also we can write, we should maintain silence in our class and also in library. Then wrote that last year, when you are in the class 1, that time you have learned, write 2 safety rules, 2 safety rules when you are in a road. So here, cross the road at the zebra crossing. First, I should tell that you should not go here. You should not go here. You should not go, or we should not go alone on the road. Number 2, this is for us. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. So this much here, up to 3 sections I have told, that rules. And here, that watch, here after that they have told that watch a match of your favorite sport on the TV and see how the rules are followed. Like the cricket, football, hockey, and also badminton, table tennis, whatever you know, whatever you like. Please, nowadays you are in a home, so you can look at the match and write the 2 or 3 rules. Whatever you think, you should take also, you should take help from your parents. Then next here, match. Here you should do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Swimming, what do you want? Here one cap is there, that is shower cap. You should wear for the swimming. One goggles is there, that is also for swimming. And after that, one tube is there, that is also for swimming. Badminton racket is there for swimming. Cycling, one helmet is there for cycling. And next, football here, football only for football and shoes. And cricket, bat, gloves, and also socks, and that for that pad. And here all these things you should give the number and do that number matching. I think you can do all these things. So this much is enough, and next day again you will do one thing. Please look at one match for that TV and write the 3 rules. Whatever you have seen, I will tell. Thank you. Have a nice day.